Hi mamas, welcome back to another class. Today's class is going to focus on our pelvic area, especially if you're experiencing pelvic pain. We're going to take about 10 minutes, no more than 10 minutes to really get some movement, some energy going down there so we can get rid of that pain. For this class, you may need a block or your bolster or pillow. If you don't have a bolster, you can always use a pillow. If you don't have a block, you can always use books, but they're both optional. So let's go ahead and get going. Let's start off on our back. Like always, we're gonna take a little time to settle into our breath, into our body, and to bond a little with our growing baby. Let's butterfly the legs out and slowly lean back. If you want, you may lean back on your bolster or your pillow. Let's butterfly the legs out. You may place your right hand on your belly, left hand above the belly. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Rub your belly. Do whatever you need to do in this moment to calm you down. Take another inhale and exhale. Another inhale and exhale. One more inhale and exhale. Slowly bring the knees to touch. You may find it comfortable to have the bolster right in between the head and the neck. Lift your left leg up off your mat. Place it over the right leg, below the knee, not on the knee, but below the knee. And slowly lift that knee up. If you can, you may stay here if you can, resting the palms on the floor. You want to keep the knees pointing towards the side wall. So not towards you, but towards the side. If this feels good to you, then go ahead and grab the right leg. You may sway from side to side. Inhale and exhale. You're not gonna stay here for long, so don't worry about being on your back for a long time. Just getting the hips warmed up. Repeat that on the other side. Right leg, foot over left. You may place the palms on the floor or intertwine them together, wrapping them around the left leg. When you're ready, release. Grab your big toes with your fingers. Happy baby pose. Warming up our hips, our back, and the pelvis. Remember to focus on your breathing throughout our practice. Take inhale and exhale with each movement. It's really going to help open you up more and release any tension. Let's slowly come into our side. Put your left palm on the floor and lift yourself up. You may place the bolster to the side for now. Let's come into a tabletop position. Your elbows, your shoulders are parallel to your wrist, your hips parallel to your knees, your back, spine is neutral, your core is engaged. Inhale, arch the back. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, arch. You may sway. Exhale, round. Anything that's going to feel good to you. Inhale, arch again. Exhale, round. Take a moment to do a few hip circles. Just rotate the hips around. You may want to do it 3 to 4 times on the right side and repeat on the other side. If you've been watching my prenatal videos, you know that we always do this. Very good for getting rid of pain in the hips, the pelvis, and also the back. Feel free to do this as many times as you want throughout the day. Also helps with strengthening our arm. Inhale and exhale. All right, let's come into our first down dog. You may move the feet up and down. Do any stretches here. Maybe bring the elbows down to the mat, lift them back up, bend the knees, back and forth. Listen to your body. Move the way that your body is calling to be moved. Slowly come into a plank. Lift the right foot off the mat and slowly bring it to the right edge of your mat, coming into a lunge. Let's bounce here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you are able to, you may use your block if you need to. Rest your left elbow on the mat or on the block. Lift the right hand up towards the ceiling. Slowly release the right hand down. Move the block. Come back into a high lunge. Move. Bring the right leg back. You're back into plank. Down dog. Good job. Inhale. And exhale. Let's repeat that on the other side. Plank. Hold that for 1, 2. Lift the left leg up. Bring it around and over to the left side of your mat. Drop the knees. Wait, we have to bounce. Bounce. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we may drop the knees. Take your block. Place it on the right side of your mat. Drop your elbow on the block. Drop your elbow on the block if you need to. Lift the left hand up towards the ceiling. You're gazing at your fingertips. Remember to breathe in and to breathe out. Slowly release, meeting back in down dog. Right knee is up. Bring the leg back. Down dog. Let's take a minute here, a few seconds to catch your breath. Or you may come down into child's pose. You may drop the knees, keep them wide, touch the toes, bring the toes together. Lay your forehead on your mat. Or you may stay in down dog. Listen to your body. When you're ready, slowly lift up. Bring the knees up. Down dog. Walk to the top of your mat. Tiptoe your feet to the top of your mat. Grab your elbows and let your body hang low. Remember to keep a good distance with your feet. You don't want to bring them in too much. So widen them out some to make space for your belly. Inhale, halfway lift, palms together. Exhale, forward fold. Let's do that one more time. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. We're going to slowly rotate our bodies around, coming into a wide leg forward fold. Your palms are pressed firmly on your mat. Your chest is nice and open. You're pushing the ground away. You're not arching your back like this. So you want to push the ground away and open up your chest. Inhale. If you want to also use your block to give you a little bit more support, you may also do that. Or you may just place the palms on the mat. Inhale, exhale. See if you can bring the hips down a little bit more. If this feels good to you, then go ahead and come on your elbows. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again and exhale. Slowly come up. We're gonna bring the feet in a little closer. Come into a squat. Lift the arms up towards the ceiling. Your fingertips are pointing towards the ceiling. You're looking straight across. You may sway from side to side here. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come down into our yogi squat. So feel free to bring the feet in closer together. Your elbows are pushing your knees away. Triceps are pushing the knees away. Close your eyes here. It may also feel comfortable to place the block underneath you. That may feel a lot better, actually, especially if you are in the third trimester like I am. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again and exhale. Let's slowly remove the block and come into a sitting position. Butterfly the feet, the legs. Grab your feet with your hands. Let's close our eyes. Inhale and exhale. Inhale again and exhale. Inhale one last time and exhale. Bring the feet to a comfortable seated position. You may cross them together. Take your hands, place one over your belly, low belly, another above the hand, the right hand. Your spine is neutral. Your eyes are shut. Let's take a minute to connect with our breath, our belly, our baby, and our body. Take a moment here in stillness to just be. Feel free to be here for as long as you like. Thank you so much again for sharing your practice with me. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.